Hello again. Today I would like to share with you how to add a second floor in this SketchUp model, which I did before a few years ago for my client, and let me show me a few scenes from this project. Let's start from this first scene. This not big, small house. Second, we have the front view, and here I would like to explain you why I added this measurements. Let's see in this scene. Here we can see through. I have three types of measurer or three levels, as you will. First floor, first measurer about 2300, second would take 300 millimeters to separate first floor from second floor, which should be about 200 millimeters or 2 meters. So it's because this measurements added. So I need to know. Let's go further. It's the same house from another side. Now I have the top view, and this view I have only kitchen furniture and nothing more. So let's start modeling the second floor. Okay, let's continue model this second floor, but before I need to add one additional thing on first floor. Let's jump to perspective view. So some additional furniture I have here, but I don't need them now. This one bookshelf, I simply hide this as well. Hide them all. TV as well, hide, and this curtain, hide. So now I have almost clean room. So I need to remodel these two lines. There was the lighting, but I now need to remodel with other style. I just simply grab this tool and delete them all. Simply delete. I deleting because I need to make more complex and it consists from one entire path, not from many of them. Just this one. Delete as well. So how I can do this? I simply take this push-pull tool, click, sorry, let's escape. I think I need to change the color here to white. Let's grab the white color, this one. Okay, now I can take and okay, good. And the same manner I need to make to this one wall as well. Let's measure the distance and see this distance. Grab dimension tool and simply measure. This is 450 millimeters. Okay. And now in this section, in this I just put type 450 and press enter on keyboard. So I know exactly. Now I just grab a push-pull tool, click and drag and snap to end point. Okay. So now I have what I want. this wall and this wall should be the lighting. So let's continue this video. Let me explain what I have and how I will add the second floor. Let's jump to scene number 7. Here I have already deleted previous walls, if you can remember, and here 300 millimeters or 1 feet, if you like, it should be the ceiling overlay, about 300 millimeters. The first floor height would be about 2,050 2,500. Let's measure right now. Yes, first floor will be 2,500 and 300 or 1 feet this ceiling overlay, and second floor, or if you like, this ground floor and first floor, 2,200 millimeters it should be. Okay, let's jump to this scene, and as you can see, I already have this ceiling overlay added to the walls, but I need to finish these room places as well. They must be 300 millimeters. I just do this very quickly, as fast as I can. Click and snap to end point here as well. This one as well. Very quickly and accurately snap to end point. This surface as well. So here are ceiling overlay, 300 millimeters. Yes, we have. So now we need to move up our walls, but one thing I need to make, I need to close this first bigger room. And lastly, let's continue to close this biggest room with ceiling overlay, which should be 300 millimeters. How we can do this? I just try to explain very fast. In order to do this ceiling overlay, I just draw the lines around this room, and now what I can do, I simply can grab again this push-pull tool, click and drag, snap to endpoint, second, this part, snap to endpoint, and lastly this one. So I have already closed this path, and now so let's continue our lesson. If I select all, you see I have this bigger room and all walls in one selected, but I need separate this select ceiling overlay from walls before I make the second floor. In order to do this, you see here I have some reference lines, and I already added for demonstration to make it faster. I just make only one. Simply grab tape measure tool, click and drag, and here at this left down corner I see the measure, and I need here needs to be 400 millimeters this wall. I simply type on my keyboard 400 and hit enter. So I have now, and so lastly, one very important thing is to separate this room from walls. How I can do this? When I already have this my reference lines which I made with this type measure tool, I just need add one more line. Grab line tool from this point to this point, and now if I select this, I have the separate room. What I want. This is what I want, but to be more clearly, I just select all my walls to see very clearly. Grab this sample paint from this and selected all walls. Now, lastly, what I need to do, I only just need to select all my walls and move them up 2200 millimeters. Let's do it. All walls, move up, enter on keyboard 2200, hit enter, and as you can see, let's see from this front view. Yes, I have now the second floor, and this reference lines I don't need more. Go to edit and select delete guides, this called guides, and to see even more clearly, I just go to camera and select parallel projection, and now from front view you can exactly see I have the first floor, the first floor, 2500 millimeters height. I have additional ceiling overlay, which is this one, 300 millimeters, and I have the second floor to 2200 millimeters. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time.